po sa inyong lahat. Nandito po ako ngayon sa may convention Malolos at dito po sa may Eyas Fruits and Vegetable. Thank you.
Hello po to everyone. I would like to invite you to visit us here at convention. Eyas Food Division po. We offer food